afternoon, FeJAH family. I'm Bethsaida Cius, and this is FeJAH News, where we highlight what's happening within our communities and across our various churches and regions. And today, I'm here to give you the inside scoop on what you can expect at Camp 2025 Debout Demo, happening June 25th through June 28th at the SEC Campground in Hawthorne, Florida. We kick things off with your arrival at the SEC Campground, getting checked in, getting settled, and getting ready for an unforgettable week. Bright and early Thursday and Friday morning, meet us for FeJAH Fit at the campground gym from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. That's right, we're gonna start our day right before everything else begins. Then at noon on Thursday, it's the FeJAH Takeover. We're bringing the energy, the ministry, and the fellowship in a big way. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Then at 9 p.m. Thursday night, gather by the lake for a Release It All. It's a powerful moment of worship, reflection, and letting go, a night that will mark you. Friday is a dynamic day filled with dynamic speakers leading us right into Sabbath hours. Sabbath will also be one for the books with a dynamic service featuring guest speaker Pastor Wilson Isno, followed by a beautiful afternoon concert, a musical melody you absolutely won't want to miss. Throughout the weekend, you'll hear from a lot of guest pastors, speakers, and the incredible Sounds of Generation Mass Choir, lifting up the name of Jesus together. And of course, we'll have a week filled with recreational activities, fellowship, and spiritual growth. That's all for FeJAH News, FeJAH family. Thank you for tuning in with us today. And until next time, stay rooted in faith and keep growing in purpose from generation to generation. See you at Camp 2025.